Hello, my name is John Kowalski, and I'm a project engineer from our Northern Region Services and Solutions team. In today's episode of What Makes It Cool, I'm going to talk to mitigating supply chain impact on design. Many customers come to McNaughton-McKay asking how they can mitigate supply chain risk during the design phase of a project. I will talk to a couple key topics. One of them would be reducing lead time on components used in a customer's design. Our team engineers can help identify parts that are long lead and should be pre-purchased early in the design phase. Another thing our engineering team could help is identifying parts that could be crossed to something more readily available or broken down to the component level that are most likely in stock. It could be a simple e-stop push button that we could break down. Instead of buying one part number, you could break it down to 2 to 3 part numbers, and most likely it's in stock on one of our warehouse shelves. Another thing I want to talk to you about is modernizing existing designs around newer, more readily available parts. Many customers still have obsolete parts in their designs and bills of materials. Many customers have parts in their designs and bill of materials that are special or not stocked in any of our warehouses. These could potentially be very long lead items. They can also be crossed to something that is very similar and more readily available in one of our warehouses. Using tools like ProposalWorks, the McNaughton-McKay website, and our team of engineers, we can aid you in the selection of products and components during the design phase to mitigate supply chain issues. Thank you for watching this episode of What Makes It Cool. For more videos like this, please visit and subscribe to the McNaughton-McKay YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.